Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, welcome back to my channel. Now, today I will make some video. I will just talk or tell a story because this is my SKL video or my English assignment. Actually, for this assignment, we have to make short movie, but I'm gonna say I'm sorry for my mentor, Mr. Farooq. I can make a short movie because there is reasons. Yeah. So I hope you can allow me to complete my assignment with this video. So in this video, I will just talk and or maybe share my journey in this polytechnic. So for the first time, I start my study in this polytechnic then in July 2024. So yeah, there is something uh, there is many reason why I choose this polytechnic. uh, because before I graduate from my high school, I try to apply or join some test to enter the university. We call that is SNBT. And usually in the test I passed, and I uh, can or I have the access to uh, enter some university in the Bandung, but because there is many reason, I choose this polytechnic to continue my study. So yes, if you know, in this polytechnic I will learn about the technology or the IT. And before I enter this polytechnic, I not have basic, so I uh, uh, haven't been to study the IT yet, because in my high school I study about the Islam only. So I think this is interesting, interest interested thing. So uh, start to I start my new journey up after graduating from high school and enter this polytechnic. So before we start our study in Polytechnic, we have to complete several assignments for what we say in Indonesia is like ospek, or it's the first day for the students to come to start their study in the university. It's just like other university or polytechnic. We have something to do like the assignment. So the assignment is like making a video about a daily routine and about the hobby and other. So before we enter this polytechnic, we have to complete that assignment. Yeah, it's very not heavy, but it's very challenging to us because we have to make that video with the English. So after I make that video and I entered the this polytechnic, we have the shine week. We call that shine week. It's just like introducing introduction week. So in 1 week we not uh, after we enter this polytechnic in first day, we not start the study, but we uh, have to join some uh, show, yeah, for 1 week, and then I in the last day from that shine week we have uh, camping in some yard. We call that with, yeah, it's just like camping. And then after that, after the shine week, we have several uh, assignment like the business survival uh, and the mission possible, and like the paperclip challenge also. So that uh, assignment challenging us to build our character, and maybe in that challenge, yeah, or in that assignment we should doing something what we never do it before, like selling water, and also uh, the do trade and from the paperclip, the little paperclip, until we can get something, some big or maybe, yeah, the stuff. And we also do travel, or we call that with the business survival, to Palembang. Yeah, it's my first time to step my feet in Sumatera. So we just go to Palembang, and in the Palembang we gather in not it's in the bridge, and then we took a photo there. That's in the business survival. And then in the last of semester one, we go to Rinjani Mount, and not that activity not my first uh, time to hike some mountain. So it is my second time to climb or hike the mount, and there is the it's very good experience in the yeah the great experience. I can hike the one of the highest mountain in Indonesia, and with my friend. And I also after hike the mountain, I also uh, walk around with my friend in Lombok. So I come to the beach and also uh, come to the Mandalika circuit. It's a great experience for me, and for that time also it's my first time to it's not my first time, but it's my two times to uh, travel with a ship. Yeah, after that activity, we have the holiday, and after that, we start our activity in new semester. So in semester two, uh, something uh, not mm, many activity. Uh, uh, what it's like it's a same busy in semester two. Uh, in I think the semester two it's like semester one we have any assignment, but in semester two we have we not have assignment or challenge like paperclip and other, but we have the backpacker activity. So actually we have to travel to Malay in the middle of semester 2, but oh, alhamdulillah uh, we can uh, mm, hold that activity and do that in the last semester, because our time in semester 2 it's not really long. It's just about 3 or 4 months from uh, February, April, February, Maret, April, February, March, and April. So in the March have we we meet the Ramadan. So I spend my Ramadan almost or yeah almost day in Jonggol, and then in the 20 or 25, if I'm not wrong, of Ramadan, I go back to my hometown and we got the holiday for the Idul Fitr. So now, and then after Idul Fitr in the April, we come back to this uh, town to Jonggol and start our activity in Polytechnic Iden. And yeah, from the April and May, now we have to complete our final project, and then we will go to uh, a backpacker to we will travel to Malay and and Singapore. And the Malay we will attend the Kuching town, and there we will go to Taman Nasional Bako because that it's instruction from our director, Mr. Reddy. And then we will go to Kuala Lumpur and around there, and after that we will go to the Singapore. And I very uh, excited to this activity, that is the backpacker, because this is my first time to go abroad or go to the other countries, because my last time to go to other countries in when I was a child, so in maybe in third class, or I think in third year of my elementary school, I go to Makkah and do umroh there. Also, I'm go to Madinah, but it's for do the umroh. But now I will go to Malaysia and Singapore for, yeah, just only travel and work there. I don't think there is some purpose. Uh, so we just follow our follow the instruction to go to the other country and do the backpacker from our director. So yeah, I try to make these things or this instruction to the positive things, so I will get the advantage in that time to walk around in Malaysia and Singapore. So what's the positive thing I got after I study in Polytechnic? There is a lot things I can learn from this Polytechnic, especially in my character. So before I enter this Polytechnic, maybe I feel like shy and a little bit scary about talk to the foreign or the random people. So and now maybe there is something a little bit of my feel like shy or scared, but I try. Yeah, I will always try to speak with people who I've never met with these people before. Yeah, there is the little bit of courage because we have to learn, we have to like show our identity with talk to the others, because if we don't talk to the others, so how can the others know about us? So it's my big things what I learned in this polytechnic. So maybe because the time running is out, so I will say thank you to uh, our mentor in polytechnic. In the end, I can learn many things in 1 year. So I hope I can continue my study in this polytechnic and until I graduate from this polytechnic. So thank you for actually for Mr. Farooq and other mentors and staff of Polytechnic IDN, and uh, thank you to my viewers who watch this video. Maybe this is from me for my English segment SKL video. Uh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.